a sip of your drink.
No, like you will.
So.
There's cans out there. Just go out there and get a can. Get on some shoes.
Got my lazy butt.
Yeah, give it a program.
Please don't be like my mom. Stepped on that damn piece of plastic again.
Maybe you should be a little more careful.
Right. That smells like a fruit pie.
What?
That.
God, I hope it isn't. Maybe, I don't know.
That's good. It is.
God damn it.
I'll eat it. Yeah. Let's not waste food here.
No, I'm not going to throw it away. I'll eat it. I can eat my chicken out.
Yeah. You want to sit by the buffet?
You can. I got room for two.
Oh God, that looks good. I want you to dunk the chicken fry.
See, I know how to cook your food right.
Yeah. Every time she makes it, it's always halfway frozen.
Well, let's be chunks, huh?
Isn't that how your ex-wife started acting?
Yeah.
I would divorce her ass.
No.
I would. You'd be free. We would be free. So a freaking block party.
Don't say we, but...
What do you... Ah! That is freaking weak.
I want to wipe trees if I have plenty of my dude.
Did? Why just say, don't say we?
Have anything like that time, you stay with the mom. I mean, you know, well, you'll be 16.
Yeah.
You can choose where you go.
I'll choose to stay with you. Because you allow everything. I mean, you're a lot cooler.
I don't allow everything.
What? Yeah!
I don't allow everything.
You're a lot cooler. Hey, Dad. I like sitting in these chairs. It's a new garage chair. You know what I mean? Sit there, look at the Goomba. Watch these light bulbs go out. Because they are, Dad. They're starting to go.
No. We got extra.
Yeah, but that's it. That's it.
Okay, come on.
Do you want to play some basketball?
I gotta get that attic done, bud. I'm supposed to have it finished.
Let me get some shoes on and I'll help you.
What's up for the book? There's lots of fries there for you. Nice and crisp. No, I put that in there. I didn't even start it.
I don't think there is anything in there.
Right, what happened to it?
Yeah, it is. 440.
400.
I hate that microwave.
Okay, so after we eat, you can have your pie. You get on your shoes and we get upstairs and finish that up.
but not use that stinky ass vacuum. Ugh.
Just get rid of that vacuum. No, I think we should. Give us more room in the attic. I'm trying to make room up there, so I'll get rid of all these empty boxes and stuff.
Oh, you almost drank mine.
No, I just didn't want you got.
Anyone want some chicken fry?
These are the best.
Too bad you can't go through a screen and take a huge bite on video. High five.
Chicken fries.
Oh yeah.
Well done, crisp.
Delicious. Nutritious.
Nutritious, yeah.
Yep. Good gram of protein.
Yeah, they are.
Billy Bob.
No, don't.
Okay, then a high five.
Don't leave lots first. I'm not in the same kind of shape as football players.
Oh, that's true.
Sounds to me it's kind of gay when they sit there bopping each other in the stomach like that.
You know what's better than chicken fries?
What?
Delicious hamburger. I love hamburgers.
I won't have one tonight.
Well, I wish we could go to Carl's Jr. and get them. Because Carl's Jr. makes the best damn hamburger.
There you go, bud. Sit down and munch.
I find, ow, I'm hurt.
I just came out of the grease. Oh, excuse me. Munch it and then you can eat your...
Fruit pie.
Yeah, you haven't lost your mittens, so you can eat it.
I like the way you said that. Move this damn device.